Next, Mathematics 1, Practical 6. Aim of the practical is to understand drawing a pie diagram. In statistics, we studied how to draw pie diagram. Aim you have to write. Material you required a die, throwing die. Geometry box. So in geometry box means pencil, scale, protector, compass, everything required here. Okay. Procedure. First step, take a die, throw it 18 times and record outcomes as shown in the following table. A die is given to you. You have to throw it 18 times and you have to record the reading. And you have to fill it in table like this way. Okay. So here the columns are. So as you know that on die we have these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, how many times you got, that you have to record here using tally marks and then count these tally marks. So you will get the frequency. So number 1 3 times got, number 2 6 times, 3 2 times, 4 1 time, 5 4 times, 6 2 times. So like this the die is thrown 18 times and the record is written here. Okay. Now from this information we have to prepare frequency table and we have to prepare pie diagram. And to draw the pie diagram we required central angle. So at the time of statistic lesson we studied the formula for central angle. Central angle is equal to value of the given data divided by sum of all the values of the data into 360. Okay. So here first outcome 1 is recorded 3 times and like that how many times die is thrown? 18 times. So to find the central angle, write down 3 upon 18 into 360. Now how it is simplified? 18 ones are 18, 18 to the 36 and this 0. So 20 into 3, 60 degree. Like this we have to complete these central angles. Next, outcome 2. 6 times recorded. So here write down 6 upon 18 into 360. Now divide this. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36 and this 0. So 26 are 120. Next, outcome 3. 2 times recorded. So here write 2 upon 18 into 360. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36 and this 0. And 22s are 40. 40 degree. Next, outcome 4 is recorded only one time. So 1 upon 18 into 360. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36 and 0. 20 ones are 20. Then outcome 5 recorded 4 times. So 4 upon 18 into 360. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36 and 0. Then 24s are 80 degree. Outcome 6 recorded 2 times. So write here 2 upon 18 into 360. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 0. 22s are 40. So this way we got central angle for each outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For each outcome we got central angle. Now what is the total of this central angle? Yes, it is equal to 360 degree. Okay. Now this information we have to show in pie diagram. This information we have to show here in pie diagram. So here first we have to draw one circle with convenient radius. First take here center and then draw radius. Take convenient radius and draw circle. Okay. Now here first we have to draw one radius here. Then we require protector to draw central angle. This center of the protector we have to coincide with the center of the circle. And this line we have to coincide on the radius of the circle. So this way we have to keep protector. And we have to start measuring from right hand side. So first angle is 60 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So first angle is 60 degree. Okay. Then here we have to write the measure of angle 60 degree, and this angle is for outcome 1. So write here 1. Now to draw the second angle we have to keep the protector on this new radius. So this way we have to keep the protector. Okay. So second angle is, here we calculated, second angle is 120 degree. So you have to start measuring from right hand side. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 and 120. Right here a measure of angle 120 degree. This angle is for outcome 2. So right here 2. Now we have to keep the protector like this way. Next angle is 40 degree. Next angle is 40 degree. Third angle is 40 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So it will come here. Here write 40 degree. Now this angle is for outcome 3. Now keep the protector on this new radius. Next angle is 20 degree. 10, 20. And this is for outcome 4. Next angle is 80 degree. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And this is for outcome 5. And the remaining angle is 40 degree, which is for outcome 6. Okay. So this way you have to draw pie diagram in your mathematics practical book. Okay. Now this you have to write as conclusion. First conclusion, measure of central angle of data is equal to value of data divided by sum of the values of all data into 360 degree. Second, measure of central angle of a data is less than dash. So here we calculated the central angle, and the sum of all this central angle is 360 degree. That means the measure of this each central angle is less than 360 degree. So here you have to write less than 360 degree. And third conclusion, sum of the measures of all central angles of data is 360 degree. Measure of full circle. Followed? So this you have to write in your practical notebooks. So this way we completed Mathematics 1 Practical 6.